Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yanti Sri Rejeki from Industrial Engineering Universitas Islam Bandung. I will present the result of my team research with the title Work Risk Assessment in the Tea Picking Process with Key Indicator Method of Awkward Body Posture. The team member of this research consists of Yanti Sri Rejeki, Eri Akhiranawati, Nurrahman Asad, Muhammad Akbar Sakira, and Faisal Pediana. This presentation is one of agenda at the Science and Technology Research Symposium 2020 or Series 2020 that is organized by Universitas Islam Bandung. I have four main sections in my presentation. First, the introduction. Second, the methodology. Third, the result. And last, the conclusion. I'm begin with the introduction. Tea plantation in Neglasari Pangalengan, Bandung Regency, West Java is smallholder tea plantation. This plantation is managed traditionally with simple tools and work. Picking is done every day for 4 hours. Activity in picking tea consisting of picking tissue, transferring the result of the picking process, and collecting. The picking process using tissue scissor. The tissue placed in a basket carried by the worker with his arm on his shoulder. The activity are repeated activities. The position of body when picking is in standing state, holding the basket, and both hand holding the plug scissor. The posture of the worker when cutting is bent. The weight of basket containing the tissue transform 10 to 15 kilogram. Manual material handling with repeated activity and heavy load will put you at risk of working with low back pain. Low back pain, in order incorrect manual material handling activity can cause other musculoskeletal disorder. There are many types of musculoskeletal disorder caused by work in agriculture, such as tenosynovitis, tendinitis, peritendinitis, epicondylitis, and etc. Therefore, this study purpose to measure the level of risk in the picking work. The method in the research used is the descriptive method. The object of this research is the Neglasari tea picking farmer group, totaling 12 people. The data needed in this study are data on working time, work posture, work condition. These data are collected by means of observation, photo, and videos. The measurement method used is the key indicator method. The key indicator method is a method that can be used to assess the risk of musculoskeletal disorder carried out in manual handling activities in the workplace. This method considers manual handling activities such as holding, lifting, hold back, moving, dropping, and carrying load. This method was developed by Federal Institute for Occupational Safety and Health and the Committee of the German State for Occupational Safety Health. Team assessment consists of four levels of risk exposure, namely low, slightly increased, substantially increased, and high. Workplace evaluation are based on analysis of ergonomic work procedure with a detailed assessment of occupational risk exposure during work. Assessment of physical workload using the key indicator method is classified into six types based on the type of manual handling carry out consists of one key indicator method with respect to manual lifting, holding, carrying of load. Two key indicator method with respect to manual pushing and pulling. Three key indicator method during manual handling operation. Four key indicator method with respect to whole body force. Five key indicator method with respect to awkward body posture, and six key indicator method with respect to body movement. The tea-picking activity is repetitive work and there are unnatural movement. So the measurement method used is the key indicator method awkward body posture. Research and discussion. The main activity of the picking process is daily picking. Picking is done using scissor. Cutting is done by pointing the scissor at the shoot of the leaf. The cut leaf will collect in the place above the scissor. After placing the leaf on the scissor full, the collect leaf are transferred to the carrying basket, lifting both ends toward the back. The frequency of cutting down until the container of the scissor is filled is 5 until 10 times. The position of the body when picking is in a standing state, holding the basket and both hands holding the plug scissor. There are two types of basket used in the tea picking process. Is basket weigh 3.6 and 5.1 kilogram. The weight of a basket that has been filled with plug will leaf range from 10 until 15 kilogram. The time it takes for the basket to be fully filled with tea leaves range from 30 and 13 until 15 minutes. So the time to pick tea leaves in one working day ranges from 3 until 3.5 hours. Measurement using the Kim ABP method includes several stages are an assessment of time indicator, assessment of key indicator, and risk assessment. Assessment of time indicator got from the total duration of each activity carried out by a worker. Uh, Total duration of action on the cutting element was 210 minutes. Therefore, that the time indicator value for this work element are 4. Okay. Key indicator assessment used for risk assessment of body posture from T part consists of the back, shoulder or upper arm, and leg or knee. The measure of key indicator also carry out on unfavorable working condition and other working condition. The posture of the worker when cutting the tea leaves is bent with an angle of more than 20 degree to 60 degree. The posture of bending over the tea cutting work element is carried out on working day, so that the value in part A for the back is 30. Also, worker must press the tea leaves on the basket with their hand, causing the posture to lean forward up to 60 degree. The movement including in condition 2. Therefore, the total risk value of A on the back for the tea leaf cutting work element is worth 30 point. When cutting the tea leaves, the upper arm is always under the shoulder. Work position standing with both hands holding the scissor without the support and at some distance from the body. The posture on the shoulder or upper arm for the work element of cutting the tea leaf is conditioned to when the worker puts the tea leaves into the basket they are carrying when the position of the arm has rise to the shoulder is category 1. Therefore, the total risk value for part B is 64. The work position is always in a constant standing state with narrow space for movement so that the activity of a worker when walking become a little disturbed. The knee or leg position value is 8. The plantation art has narrow space so that the movement of worker access to the element of the tea cutting work is very limited. The assessment and favorable working condition provide an additional risk score for each part of the body. The total risk score for part A is 6 point, B 2 point, and C 3 point. The assessment for the other working condition are reviewed based on the aspect of the work environment and the level of concentration required. The plantation area has uneven ground contour and with limited stability, having scoring point for each body part A, B, and C worth 1 point. The total risk score for other working condition is 1. The evaluation has carried out to obtain the high risk score from A, B, and C. For the tulip cutting work element, the result of the assessment are a total of the overall indicator for each part A is 148. Risk score of body posture part B is 268, and part C is 48. The high score in part A, B, and C is an indicator of the total risk score of the work activity carried out. The highest score obtained for the tulip cutting work element is 268. 268. The risk score for the tea cutting activity was more than 100 point. 100 point. They show that the load intensity when cutting the tea leaves is high. High load intensity can cause expensive physical load, so that interference or dysfunctional in the work body is more visible. The hard consequences that can be experienced by worker are musculoskeletal disorder and low back pain. Okay, the conclusion from this research is that the risk of the leaf picking is very high. The high load is on the shoulder and upper arm. This suggests that there are higher probability of health problem, structure damage with significant disease. Recommended action to minimize the risk are the redesign of the work facility use and preventive action. This is my reference. Okay, thank you for attention and thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.